Good afternoon, John here. Thought I'd do a quick video here on the use of basswood. It's kind of an underrated wood. I'm down in my basement. I've got a finished, about 1,500 square feet down here, finished bedroom, kitchen, bath, and living area. And this is I made all the doors down here out of basswood. I used to buy the logs I'd get them for a little or nothing from one of the tree cutter guys, and he'd drop them off at the sawmill, and it usually cost me like $10 a log. It was really cheap to get them sawed up. But these doors that I made down here, like this is the bathroom door. It's I believe I made this 1 3/4, the stiles and rails, and the panel is actually 3/4 thick. And then what I did is I dadoed a 3/4 inch dado in, and then these are mortised. These are mortised in. There's a tenon and a mortise. But I made all the doors down here. Here you can see it in the bathroom here. But it's just kind of an underrated wood. This is just a pine ceiling. Oh, and I made that thing out of walnut, that little cabinet there. And I made the trim, everything out of the ceiling is maple. I made that out of maple. Actually, it might have been maple flooring that I got out of an old building. But and then I made all the trims around the doors. It's all basswood. Yeah, it's all basswood, and it's you can get clear boards, 14, 15 inches wide, almost. Now that all out there is all timber frame. That's all dug fir ceiling, dug fir beams. But this is basswood. You can make it. You can stain it. Whatever, But it's really nice. It's cheap. It's a lot cheaper than pine, at least the way that I did it. And then the kitchen is all walnut. I made that out of some walnut that I had. That's back when I didn't have many tools. And actually these panels are solid walnut. I just glued. It's 1/4 inch thick, and then this is 3/4 inch, and then I think I did a little dovetail on the drawer. But it's kind of that. I think they call that a bridle joint. But yeah, most all the wood down here I got from the sawmills. But anyhow, just I don't know if you can still get these basswood logs, but they're I took advantage of them at the time. So alrighty, you have a good one. God bless.